In a forgotten corner of the world, an old house stood alone, whispering secret to the wind. Curiosity drew young Lily to the attic where an ancient mirror lay hidden beneath years of dust. As Lily gazed into the mirror, her reflection began to move on its own, a sinister smile creeping across its face. The reflection leaned closer, its eyes glowing with a malevolent light, whispering secrets that turned Lily blood to ice. With a sudden violent motion, the reflection reached out, dragging Lily into the mirror, cold, dark, deep. Silence returned to the attic, leaving only a shattered mirror and the echo of a young girl's dream. And thus the mirror whispered calm, another soul, its hunger never sated.